Okay, every day I like to do a video just about Nowsite Technology, which is basically AI, artificial intelligence. All right, that's a lot. Is that vowels? Is the letter A, isn't that a vowel? What's an I? Is that a consonant or a constipationist? I can't remember. Anyway, you guys have heard a lot about AI technology. It sounds awesome and it sounds like a nightmare at the same time. Right now, they want semi trucks to drive themselves, cars to drive themselves. They want like computers to do everything while us uh, humans just sit back and go, okay, well, now what do we do for money? But um, I decided about a week ago to you just got to embrace AI technology. And if you can use it to your advantage to make money, then by gosh, do it. It's really hard to compete with a computer that can literally work overnight, 24 hours a day, without having a lunch break or calling in sick or quitting because there's a Friday beach party and you don't want to miss it. That's kind of the experience all my friends who own restaurants. It seems like all their employees are like 18 to 30, and every Friday when it's sunny outside, they all get sick. It's like great. Oh man, oh man. Those sunny weekends are hard to compete with when you live in a town like Salt Lake City where there's snow, and obviously four seasons. But AI technology, it is amazing. It's on par with, like, let's say Google search. Obviously you can go into Google and say, hey, Google, find me this, find me that. And it does a good job of finding certain things. But with AI technology, you can go, hey, make me a website. And it will. Make me texts because I don't feel comfortable writing my own. It'll give you 1,000 versions. You can even tell it to be funny or crazy or short. Write me an email message because I'm going to try to start emailing people about opportunities like LiveGood. Okay. Well, hey, AI software, I want you to go ahead and text me 1,000 people, and I want to approve the text message, but write something about LiveGood that's funny, short, only 60 words. Give it a couple minutes, it'll pop back, and if you like it, it will send 1,000 texts. Okay? That's impressive. Now, how much is all this? Because it all comes down to money, really. Right now, unlimited, their top package, I can get you a deal for 49 bucks a month. Okay? They're offering this right now. I know that if you're watching this video on May 12th, that for the next about week, that if you put in the promo code when you go to buy it unlimited for the month, if you put in the number 49, it will make it 49 bucks a month. Okay? Now, normal price, I like to talk about the money. Normal price is $99 a month. Now you're like, okay, is it worth it? All I can say is this. When you have a company like LiveGood, the website is already pretty cool. Capture page is awesome. Do you need help with texting? Okay, why not? Do you need help with emails? Why not? But do you need leads? Do you need people that are pretty much on par with what LiveGood is? It's a health and wellness company that sells a lot of great things to put in your body. It's a wholesale company, so if you have $9.95 a month, you can buy at wholesale. So if you want to open up a store in the mall or on the corner or sell a bunch of cool stuff over Amazon, this is the company people go to. It's a wholesale health and wellness company. But there's also an affiliate division. You got 40 bucks? That's all it costs, $40. And you can make money and hopefully have fun with me. I have a good time. I think this is entertaining as hell, promoting this company because it's so easy. It's like $9.95 a month. It's health and wellness. You're meeting people all over the frickin' world. This isn't something like just in Salt Lake where I'm at. And I love Salt Lake. I choose to live here. I love it. I've been here on and off 40 years. Not from Santa Barbara, the beach. Can you tell? Don't I look like Donnie and Marie? Everyone's like, are you Mormon? Boy, you Utahns are pretty wild looking. I'm like, oh yeah, we're scary. So anyway, I like to use AI technology because I go, hey AI, and it goes, what up, dude? And I go, I want you to find me a whole bunch of cool people that might want to rock and roll and live good. Okay? And it says, no problem. And then it goes, go get a haircut. And I'm like, I'll unplug you right now and delete you. And then the AI goes, okay, okay, your hair looks good. And I go, thank you. I actually argue because I think I'm lonely. Maybe I need to buy a puppy. But yes, sometimes I have conversations with my AI and it answers me back, just like my phone too. If I go, hey, Google, Oh my God, the whole thing turns on and it says what? Like, So anyway, I'm just kidding. This AI, you type in certain things, you put in a whole bunch of input to LiveGood that so it learns, and then just let it go over the world. But this is what I want everyone to promise me. If you sign up in my group, number one, we got to have fun. Number two, if we use AI, Nowsite, it's called, but AI technology, we'll do our best to just learn from it. And if there's any techniques that I know, I mean, there's 2.2 billion people in its database. I'm not worried about the competition. So if I can find something that's really badass that works, I want you to know, because in this type of company, obviously it's a multi-level base. So if you make money, I make some money. Just like the guy that got me aboard, he loves when I make some money too. So anyway, we take care of each other. We kind of share advice on what's really working. And on top of that, I want you to worry about who you sign up to. Because if you sign up with me, I want you to get 2 people as fast as possible, because then you have 2 forms of income coming in, and you guys can look that up. This video is not really to go in depth of the compensation plan of LiveGood, but it's based on just getting 2 people, and they get 2 people, and so on, because it's a 2x15 matrix. So if we all just help each other with the best advice on how to get 2 people in your group, that just has $9.95 a month. That's all. And if they have the affiliate fee of $40, so for $49.95, that's the overall goal. It's so realistic. That's why the whole world is rocking with this right now. This isn't just a United States company that's doing well and a couple people in France. This isn't something that was formed in Italy and now Germany and maybe Sweden is rocking. This is something that South Africa is kicking ass. All right. It used to be called the Ivory Coast. Now it's called like Conte d'Ivoire, or I'm saying it probably wrong, but I call it the Ivory Coast. But oh my God, they're kicking ass. So's Philippines. India's like, bring it on. I'm like, man, these countries are kicking ass. So good for them. But what I tell this AI technology, I mean, I'm interested in some Americans doing this just because I live here. But man, I'm telling my software, you go to Singapore, you take a vacation and get your butt over to Japan. And boy, I'll tell you what, I'll go to the Himalayas. Man, if my AI can find someone Himalayan, I want a Himalayan in my group. So I can go, hey. And they'll go, hey, what? I go, Himalaya. And they'll go, yeah. And then, I don't know, we'll just kind of act like dorks on a Zoom call. So anyway, if you want to look into LiveGood, it's free. Keep your wallet in your pocket. Just go to joincorey.com, take a tour. Just look at the website, look at the products. If you're interested, awesome. It's very affordable. And then on top of that, if you're looking into AI software, it's really awesome. It's worth that $49 a month. At least do your best. Save it. Do whatever you can. Get 30,000 leads. And then just look at them, filter them, send them a nice message. If that doesn't work, send them a nice message the next day, maybe written differently. If they don't want your message, they'll tell you, and then you just don't email them anymore. But that's kind of the trick to this business, is if you can build a nice email list of some cool people, that really goes a long way in this business. Because you'll find people, just posting on YouTube or maybe TikTok and all those other social medias. But anyway, I think you'll have a good experience with AI technology because it's kind of instant. Like right now, before I hit the hay I usually like to go to bed about 1 or 2 in the morning on a Friday. I want to have 3,000 leads. And I'll do it every 24 hours. There hasn't been a day gone by that I haven't had a couple thousand people fresh that I look at. I make sure that they're people, because that's what a lead is. It's not a click. It's not some horse crap. These are real people, and you want to treat that as such. But look at how cool. I mean, just in a couple days, look at my numbers right here. Ever since I started using AI technology, look how many people are just going to my LiveGood farting around. 500, 600, almost 600 clicks of web hits. That means like one person will come in and click this like 4 or 5 times. So divide these numbers about by 4. So I've got hundreds of people. And look at this. I had 2 signups yesterday. Look, I didn't even have any pre-rolls. I had 2 people that love this business so much, they just signed up. And just a few minutes ago, I had a ding go off, and it was my cell phone. And what it was I had somebody asking about LiveGood, and now they pre-enrolled. They just said, screw it. You know what? Corey's probably making a video. So I had somebody just pre-enroll, and look, it's like mid-afternoon. I already got 387 web hits. By the time it's midnight, I think this will be well over 600. So what I want to do, I want my web hits to be thousands a day, because I know that's hundreds of people that are taking a couple minutes and looking at the video and going, you know what, this looks pretty cool. And a lot of people, they just go, you know, I got $9. I've got $40. I'm going to use these dang products anyway. So I find that this business, it's realistic for anybody on any budget, even in the Ivory Coast, even in countries that don't have the opportunities that I might have in Salt Lake City, which is a pretty nice city. There's an economy, there's a lot of money, there's a lot of activity, there's the badass mountains right in back of this wall here. So I love it when countries that don't have the opportunities that we might have kicking some serious ass. And I want them to make tons of money and just hold up a, I don't know, hold up a 20 or two $20 bills and go, man, I made a decision. Man, I joined this company for 40 effing bucks and I'm kicking ass here in a country that I don't even know where it's at. I have to Google it. That's what's exciting. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching my video. So far, AI technology seems to be working for me. I've had pre-enrolls. I've had signups. I was able to go bronze, silver. I will be gold. The next opportunity is when you have 30 people underneath you and you have a whole group of 100. And that's awesome. And it's realistic because we're all helping each other just get a couple people aboard. And I know it sounds like, God, is that all just $10? But it really is. It really is that easy. And just let me show you this, because most people, when you think about 2 by 15 at $9.95, you're like, well, is there a lot of money to be made? I just show them this. Okay. If 2 people get 2 people, it's 4. And if you get 2 people to 8 to 16 to 32, but look at that. If everybody just gets a couple people, by the time you get down to the 9th and 10th level, you got 1,000 people. All right. You know how many little commissions you're getting? You're getting $5 just on each one of these people. You're getting $5 grand a month because you get half of that $10. Okay. So I can get into the comp plan. There's 6 ways. I like to do this. 2, 3 is like, cool. Look, hey, what's going on? I'm not a crook. I'm Richard Nixon. No, you got to be old to know Richard Nixon. Dating myself, but anyway, the pay plan's there. So if you're just watching this at random, thinking about joining LiveGood, please just come aboard. Keep your wallet and your credit card in your pocket. Look around. Look at our products. Just believe in the products first, because if you do, you'll really enjoy this company. And if you don't mind AI technology, I might even come up with a way where I'll have some people come up with about 100,000 fresh leads. And this is no bullcrap. I don't bullcrap. I don't need to take anyone's money at this point in my life. I'm quite happy with the life I have right now. I don't need to make money off some fake bullcrap saying that I have fresh leads when I just bought them from a guy named Billy, who got them from a guy named Chet, who got them from a girl named Barbara. I don't know where these leads are. I never buy leads. This company doesn't even allow that. It's all stupid. Don't buy leads. But if you can generate fresh leads by targeting real people, now you're talking. You're talking. That's the way to be successful in this business, in my opinion. And that's why, my gosh, I think there's 30, 40 people that are already at diamond status already. The great Tim, man, he's already got 50,000 people in his downline. And that's in 4 months, people. That's not a company like Amway or Avon that's been around since the dinosaurs were painting their toenails. I think there was a knock on the caveman door. Ding dong. Huh? Avon. Huh? Avon. I mean, there's like an Avon cave lady selling like toenail polish to the dinosaurs. I mean, that's how old Avon is. So, all right. Well, AI technology, I'm supposed to just talk about that. I always have a subject before I start a video, and I always talk about everything except what I mean to. So anyway, just join Corey.com. It's right below this video. Climb aboard and open up your mind to AI technology. And if you're in LiveGood already, I don't care if you're signed up underneath anyone else. 75% of the people I help are already signed up under other people. All right. I just feel goodwill, good karma. If I can help them out, they might help someone out. And maybe someone in my team will reach out to them for help when I'm not around. So anyway, let's just take care of each other. There's plenty of money. There's plenty of people on this planet. This company's barely 5 months old as far as the affiliate side. So you guys have good timing on this. So, okay, well, let's rock and roll, man. I'm going to freshen up my little drinky. Here, can I do this live on camera? They don't teach this when you buy those courses how to make interesting videos. I'm like, well, what about when you open a drink live on the webcam? No one does that. I do. Watch. Here we go. Ah. Now, this isn't a beer. It's a sugar-free, calorie-free energy drink by Bucked Up. That's right. It has the head of an elk on it. And boy, when I'm thirsty, I like to drink elk head juice. I got this free. That's why I didn't buy the damn thing, but I drink it free. So, all right, have a good day, night or afternoon, because only you know what time it is when you're watching this. And wear something sexy. Okay, see you guys next video. It's popping up right now.